Welcome back, everyone. 5:15, and we are looking out from the mobile storm tracker this morning, where we see a good amount of snow on the roads. Right now measured at 1 inch at the International Airport. A couple other spots in the northwest. Don't be surprised if they're getting closer to maybe 1.5 inches or 2 inches, but it doesn't look like any of the snow that we're seeing is accumulating to more than what we saw on the west side of the state yesterday. So they at least saw a little bit more than what we're seeing. This began around 8 or 9 p.m. last night, and then just built around us. You can see that live look downtown shows still snow on the roadways. The important thing to remember is that these temperatures around us are well below freezing. They're in the teens and the single digits in some cases, which means that this snow not going to be melting anytime soon. If anything, it's going to be sticking to those roadways and causing some slick conditions outside. So that is one important thing to remember going into this morning. Satellite radar is showing that band of snow as it progressively now clears out, so you can see it's sort of pushing out of the Spokane region over the next several hours. We'll still see a couple of those light flurries pass through. Otherwise, we'll see the tail end of it right around now. One thing to remember, though, wind speed still in the double digits almost across the board. 15-mile-per-hour winds in Coeur d'Alene, 16 in Sandpoint, 24 up in Omak. Okanagan County under that wind chill advisory this morning because of how high those winds are, combined with those very chilly temperatures to start the day off. Visibility, because of both the snow and the fog, is causing some trouble. We got 2.5 miles in Deer Park, 1.5 miles down toward Pullman. These numbers, not terrible, but obviously not the best. So if you're seeing trouble getting where you got to go, make sure to take it a little bit slower because of that visibility. And especially when you combine wind, low visibility, and snow, you don't really have the greatest combination on the roads. So you could see, though, this good news that we've got is that this kind of clears out over the next several hours. By 10 a.m., we're looking at almost no chance of that snow. A couple of those bands kind of linger over Idaho, and they'll build over the Panhandle into your Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. But that's kind of short-lived after Wednesday, where all of that clears out, and then we're looking at pretty much sunny skies going into your the rest of your Wednesday and your Thursday. So pretty good weather on the way. Next chance for snow is going to come as we hit your Friday. So take a look at that. Right now, temperature is going to be still continuing to stick in the 20 degree range. 23 for tomorrow. We got mostly sunny skies, though, going into your Wednesday and your Thursday. That next chance for snow comes on Friday and kind of lingers into your weekend. But again, those temperatures pretty chilly. So important to remember that any snow that we're seeing, whether it's what we just saw or what we're going to be seeing on Friday or Saturday likely, is going to stick and cause a slick commute. So it's not one of those days where it hits us and just melts immediately. It's hanging around for a bit.